I'm James Carlin, the product manager for dampers at Pottorff. In this video, we will show the internal mounting of a PI-10 blade indicator switch package on a typical curtain-style fire damper with an integral sleeve. Please reference the PI-10 installation instructions provided for additional information before installing the switch package. The PI-10 switch bracket assembly comes with an indicator switch and conduit connector factory installed on the switch mounting bracket, number 10 sheet metal screws, and a wiring box. To install the switch package, first locate the switch bracket against the damper frame and connect the bracket to the bottom of the damper sleeve using a number 10 sheet metal screw. Next, secure the bracket to the side of the sleeve using another number 10 sheet metal screw. Once the switch bracket assembly is installed on the damper sleeve, remove the lid from the wiring box and remove or push in one of the pre-punched knockouts in the wiring box. Using a minimum of 2 number 10 sheet metal screws, secure the wiring box to the side of the switch bracket assembly. Connect the conduit connector to the wiring box and reinstall the wiring box lid. Please reference the wiring diagram found on the PI-10 submittal sheet for field wiring to position indicator lights, fire alarm panels, or fire control stations. Please visit Pottorff.com for any additional information on the PI-10 or UL-rated life safety products.